Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on iPhone, right? So basically how you can take your screenshot, just you have to do nothing. You can take screenshot with the buttons which is on the left side and the right side of your phone. So you have to do one thing. On the right side you can see your volume keys, and on the left side you can see your power button, right, on your iPhone. So you have to press the both of the button at the same time simultaneously, and that's it. You can take this screenshot, right? And guys, this second step is you have to just go to your setting of your phone, and after that you have to go accessibility, and here you will find the option that is called touch. So just click on touch, and in the bottom you will see that there is a back tap. So basically you will see that in the back tap you will find two options: double tap or triple tap. So if you just select the double tap, so back of your phone, if you just tap twice, then the screenshot will be taken. And if you take triple tap, then after the triple tap your screenshot will be taken, right? So this is the two ways where you can use to take screenshot in iPhone, and this is the easiest, guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.